How to use Windows Command Prompt. Using the Windows Command Prompt can help improve your device productivity. In this video, we will review the basics of using the CMD and teach you essential commands. Before we begin, subscribe to Ninja One IT Tech Tips for more helpful content like this. What is the Windows Command Prompt? The Windows Command Prompt, or CMD, is a command line interpreter application found in most Windows operating systems. Entering specific lines of command through the CMD makes it useful for system management. How to open the Windows Command Prompt. There are many methods you can try to open the command prompt. For most Windows versions, you can open Command Prompt using Start by typing CMD and pressing Enter. You can also open it via the Run dialog, Win+R, by entering CMD. For Windows 10, 11, or 8, you can run it by accessing the Power User menu, Win+X, and selecting either Command Prompt or Windows Terminal. For Windows 7 or lower, go to All Programs, then Accessories, and click Command Prompt. Basic CMD commands and operations. To try CMD, here are some basic commands. Commonly used CMD commands. CD is used to navigate between directories. dir lists the files and folders in the current directory. CLS clears the current command prompt screen, providing a blank slate. Commands for file and directory management. Copy copies files from one location to another. Move moves files or directories from one location to another. Ren renames a file or directory. Security considerations for CMD. While CMD is a powerful tool for system management, misuse of it carries security risks. Because CMD allows you to change PC settings, system instability is a high possibility if you are not careful. Best practices. To use CMD safely, use elevated privileges only when you have to. For instance, running CMD as an administrator should only be specific to administrative tasks. If possible, only use network commands in trusted environments. Also, keep your Windows operating system and security software up to date. From managing files and directories to automating tasks and troubleshooting, the command prompt offers a versatile way to interact with your Windows system efficiently. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to use the Windows CMD linked in the description below.